Hello, Python lesson 4. When we use input, Python takes every value as text or strings. To use numbers properly, we convert it with int. Example program. Step 1. Open Python 3. Step 2. Type the following code. Numerical equal to int, the bracket input, the bracket under quotes, enter a number. Second line, print numerical. Step 3, click run button. Step 4, enter a number 10. Press enter to continue. The output of this program is 10. Okay, thank you.